The Trades tab has two parts, the Active Trade Management card at the top and the Open Positions table below. Together, they let you monitor and automatically manage your trades. The Enable Management toggle is the master switch. Turn it on to activate the background daemon that monitors your positions every few seconds. If this is off, nothing else works. Breakeven automatically moves your stop loss to the entry price once the market moves far enough in your favor. This guarantees you cannot lose on the trade. Breakeven Distance is the percentage of TP distance that must be reached before the SL moves. Breakeven Offset is a small buffer above or below entry, giving the trade more room. Trailing Stop follows the price as it moves in your favor, locking in profits. Trail Distance is how far behind the current price the stop sits as a percentage of TP distance. Trail Step is the minimum increment before the stop moves, preventing excessive SL adjustments. The check interval shows how often the background daemon checks your positions. Click Save Config to save your settings. Run Now triggers an immediate management cycle, useful for testing or when you want to apply changes right away. Below the management card is the Open Positions table. It updates automatically every few seconds. Each position shows the ticket number, symbol, type, volume, open price, current price, stop loss, take profit, and floating profit and loss. Click Modify on any position to change SL and TP levels. Click Close to exit the trade. With Breakeven and Trailing Stop automated, you can let your trades run without staring at the screen. Set your preferences, enable management, and focus on finding the next setup. Ready to take your harmonic trading to the next level? Visit harmony.fxmath.com to see the full feature list and grab your license. One-time payment. Lifetime updates. Start scanning smarter today.